This kit provides large volume capability with the stability of a flat bottom Buchner funnel. Its large size provides fast flow for your vacuum filtration and winterization needs. The Buchner funnel comes with the correct size filter paper. The large diameter tubing is rated for the cold temperatures used in winterization. The two included radiator clamps are easy to use and require no special tools for assembly. The included rubber stopper is specially designed to fit the coupler so that you are sure to have an airtight seal on your filtration flask. Here is the complete assembly. You just need to add your vacuum pump, and the hose is 5 feet long, but you can always cut that down to whatever size you need. For cleanup, make sure you wear the appropriate protection and do this in a fume hood. Properly dispose of the filter paper, and then depending on what it is that you filtered, use the correct solvent and a brush to mechanically clean away the debris that are in the holes. To clean the inside, I have the hose up higher than the Buchner funnel, and I would just fill this up with the appropriate solvent and then just swish it around and let it sit until it is clean. Always do this in a fume hood, always know the chemicals you are working with, and never ever leave this unattended. Once the solvent has had a chance to work, lower the hose back down and apply a quick vacuum to quickly remove all the debris. Repeat if needed.